In this video, we'll be taking a look at the symmetry generator. The symmetry generator simply creates a mirror of your objects in a mirror plane that you will select. Let's create a cube. Let's move it onto the x-axis, and let's create a symmetry generator. So you click and hold on the subdivision surface generator. It will reveal the other generators, and then we click the symmetry generator. Now we have to make the cube a child of the symmetry generator by clicking and dragging it and dropping it inside the generator. Now you see the symmetry has created a copy of this cube here. Not just a copy, but a mirrored copy. So if you select this cube and we move it back, you see that the symmetry object that it created is also moving back in a mirror position. Okay, anywhere that we move this, it will move in the same position as we move this. So that is the symmetry object. Now with a symmetry object, you can actually choose the mirror plane that you want to create a copy at. So let's say we want to create a copy in the mirror plane of the x and y, which is this and this. It will create a mirror copy in the z-axis. So if you move our cube in the z-axis, you see that the mirror copy has been created in the x and y field. Same as we choose the x and z here and remove our plane and we'll move our cube up like this. We have the mirror copy in the x and z plane. That is basically the symmetry generator in Cinema 4D. Most times when you are modeling something that has a mirrored side, like one side is the same as the other side, you use the symmetry object so that you can model the other side and then it will automatically mirror it onto the other side. Like if you are modeling a human figure or an animal, anything that has symmetry, you can use the symmetry generator to speed up your workflow. Thank you and see you in another video.